Good morning, students. Now in chapter 4, linear equations in two variables, we are going to learn about graph of a linear equation in two variables. The graph of a linear equation in two variables, the solution of the linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Suppose we have to plot its graph. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Linear equation of two variable, and we have to plot its graph. So firstly find the value of y with the corresponding values of x. So put different values of x and then find the value of y with the help of given equation. So equation is x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, then y will be 6 minus x upon 2, so is equal to 3. Clear? So when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. Similarly, from the given equation, we can write y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. Now put x is equal to 2. Then y will be 6 minus 2 means 4 upon 2 will be 2. So x is equal to 2, then y will be 2. Clear? Now put x is equal to 4. So here y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. Now put x is equal to 4, then y will be equal to 6 minus 4 upon 2. It means 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. It means when x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 1. Now put y is equal to 6. Sorry, x is equal to 6. So when x is equal to 6, then y will be 6 minus 6 upon 2. It means 0. Clear? So to plot the graph of equation, firstly put the value of y in terms of x. Then put different values of x and find the different values of y. Clear? Now plot the graph. So here x axis and y axis. Clear? This one, y axis, and this line is x axis. Point of intersection is known as origin. Clear? You studied it in previous exercise. Now to plot the graph, according to this table, x is equal to 0. So x is 0 is here. Clear? Then y will be 2. Y will be 3. So here 3. Clear? Now x2 means this point, then y2 means this one. Similarly 4 then 1, so x is 4, then y is 1, clear. X is 6, then y is 0, so this one, and you have to join this point, then you have a line x plus 2y is equal to 6. You can plot the graph easily, clear. Now join any of these 2 points and obtain a line, clear. So you can obtain a line, this one, clear. So say this line is AB. Now pick another point on this line, say 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is here, eight and minus 1, so 8 minus 1 is here, clear. So you have to check 8 minus 1 is the solution of the given equation or not. So put x is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 1. Then x plus 2y will be equal to 6. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So 8 minus 1 is a solution, clear. So xy will be solution of the given equation if it satisfies the given equation. Now pick any other point, say 2 0. So you have to check whether 2 0 is the solution or not. So put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0, then equal to 2, but its RHS is equal to 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So we can say that 2 0 is not a solution of a given equation, clear. Now so let us list our observations. First point, every point whose coordinate satisfying equation lie on the line AB. Second, every point AB on the line AB gives a solution x is equal to A or y is equal to B of equation. Line AB means given line. Given line means plot line, clear. It means here line AB means equation of the given line, clear. So we have to plot the line. Then first point is every point whose coordinate satisfying equation lie on the given line, clear. Line AB means given line. 2, every point AB on the line AB gives a solution x is equal to A, y is equal to B of equation. Third, any point which does not lie on the line AB is not a solution of equation. It means the point which lie on the line will be the solution of the equation. The point which do not lie on the line will not be solution of the equation. Now see the example. Here given the point 1 2, find the equation of the line in which it lies. It means here you have to find the equation of the line on which the given point lie, clear. Means you have to find the equation of the line which satisfied by the point 1 2, clear. So solution 1 2 is a solution of a linear equation So now one example of such equation will be x plus y is equal to 3, because if we put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It means LHS will be equal to RHS. Clear? So line will be x plus y is equal to 3. Second line will be y minus x is equal to 1 also, because point 1 2 already satisfies this line. Now y is equal to 2x will be a line on which the given point lie, because y is equal to 2x, so point 1 2 also satisfies this line. Clear? So in fact there are infinitely many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinates of the point 1 2. Clear? Next, draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 7. So to draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 7, firstly put x is equal to 0. In this equation, then y will be 7, and put y is equal to x is equal to 7 in this equation, then y will be 0. Clear? So you have 2 points. X is equal to 0, then y is equal to 7, x is equal to 7, then y is equal to 0. Then you have 2 points here, 0 7 and 7 0. Clear? Now plot the graph. So here 0 7 means x is 0, then y is 7. X 0, then y 7. So x 0, then y 7, this one point, and x 7, then y will be 0, this one point. Clear? I repeat again, x 0 here, then y 7 means this one point. Clear? X 7 means this, then y 0, then this one point. Now join these 2 points, then you have equation of the line x plus y is equal to 7. Clear? So you can plot the graph easily. So it means to plot the graph of the given line, firstly find the value of y in terms of x, then put the different values of x and find the different values of y corresponding value to the corresponding values of x. Then you can plot the graph, or you can plot the given line. Clear? Now see here again, suppose we have to draw a line x plus y is equal to 3. Clear? So you have to find different values of x, y with corresponding to the different values of x. So here y will be equal to x 3 minus x. You have to plot the graph of the line x plus y is equal to 3. Clear? So firstly find the value of y in terms of x. So y is equal to 3 minus x. Clear? Now here x and here y. Now put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1, and so on. You can find different points. Clear? The first point is x1 then y2. x1 is here and y2 is here. So this point will be this one. Clear? Now put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. So 0 and 3. Second point is here. Now x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. Again see this example. Suppose now see this example. Suppose we have to plot the graph of x plus y is equal to 3. So firstly find the value of x in terms of y. So y will be equal to 3 minus x. Now put the different values of x and find the different values of y. X, y. Now put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. Second point is x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. Third point is x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. Now you can plot it. Put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. So first point is here. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. X is 1 and y is 2. Second point is here. Now x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. So third point is here. Now you can join these 3 points. Clear? Then you have a line x plus y is equal to 3. Clear, students? So you can plot the line easily. Also you can check whether the given points lie on the line or not. So point will be lie on the line if given point satisfy the given equation of the line. If given points does not satisfy the equation of the given line, then it will not lie on the given line. Clear, students? Okay, you have to solve the questions related to this topic. Okay, students, thank you.